Yo, what's going on, everybody? Mecca and Julia Alejandra, the world famous author, coming at you here, and hope you all having a fantastic Black Friday, Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to all my American friends. Yeah, say it. Happy Thanksgiving. Yeah, you heard it. I heard it. And you'll having a wonderful weekend. And Cyber Monday is coming up. But hey, I had to let you know that it is alive, it is official, and it is filling up fast. Blueprint Publishing Academy is officially open for the very first time. And this is going to be the game changer in the publishing world. There hasn't been this type of program come out since the original Blueprint came out. That's the impact that this program is going to have. Now, this is for serious folks. This ain't for people who are just this ain't for people who are just dabbling around. This is for people who want to spend more time with their kids, who want to spend more time with their, their boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife. They want to free up their time. They don't want to be working a 9-to-5 job. They want to build that stream of income that takes care of all their basics so they can go out and do the things that they love to do, whether that's travel, whether that's spend time with loved ones and friends, whether that's sit at home and just play video games day after day after day after day. This is for those type of people. So you can hit up the link and you'll say $500. This is going to be $500 for everybody. And basically what I'll be doing is fast tracking your results to success. It's going to be 5 weekly calls where I dive deeper than I've ever driven deep. I dive deep into the publishing space, and I show you what I've done to not only raise my publishing income, but what's more important than my publishing income is what I've been able to do for countless others. And that's the focus of the Academy. We had one student. Sweet, let's take the laughter from a 10 down to a 4. Okay, yeah, all right. Right, we had one student yesterday do over $1,000 in book sales alone. Another one fell just short of that, over $960. We had a couple students yesterday, albeit it's Black Friday, had a couple students do over $500 yesterday in book sales. We're going to be diving into the strategies and the things that I teach them on how to get results like this. Myself, we did over $1,500 yesterday. I don't know what I'm at today. Haven't even bothered to check. It's irrelevant. But these are the things that are not taught in any courses. Like I said, nothing's ever been done like this before. But I'm really, really excited working with select individuals. It's not going to be open forever. It actually closes on Tuesday night at midnight, I believe. We close the doors. We're only taking in a select number of individuals for this program because I'm not going to be teaching this to the masses. I'm working closely with these individuals to get them results. But I got to tell them about the results. Yeah, it's on my head. But they're going to get results that they've never, ever gotten before. I can't remember the last time we had so many people get results like we got yesterday on Black Friday using the strategies that I'll be teaching you inside the Academy. So hit the link up if you got some questions. Drop me a comment. Hit me up on Facebook. Email me if you got some questions there. Mecca at myselfpublishingblueprint.com. But I'm thrilled. You save $500 between now and Tuesday. And then it's closed, when it opens up again, probably sometime in the new year, it'll be full price. And, so get in now. Get in now while there's a couple more spots. Yeah, sweetie, it's not raining, but maybe it's raining somewhere. So you're saying rain, go away to those people. So good call. Do you want to say anything? Hey, you need to increase your income so you don't have to go work another 9-to-5 job, have a boss. I have a boss. This is my boss. She's 3, and she tells me what to do. Yeah, you're my boss, right?
Yeah, you're the best.
Yeah. And, just so you can enjoy days like this and just not have to worry about going out and working a job you hate. You spend time with people you love instead. So join the academy. Hit me up if you got questions. And I think we are going to ride your bike for a bit.
Yeah, for your birthday.
Yay!
Gonna wait us.
All right. Let's wave bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.